Hi there, in today's video we are going to talk about how to configure the Gridbox editor workspace to edit pages faster and more efficiently. And we start from the Options panel. By default, to start editing any element on a page, you need to hover on it, then move your cursor on the gear icon. After that, select Icon Edit. We left this editing method as the default because it is the original way to edit an element in Gridbox from the first version. But you can change the layout of the Options panel to a sidebar. To enable Sidebar panel, click on icon 3 dots from the Options panel top bar, and from the drop-down menu select Panel to Right. Using the sidebar layout is more efficient. Take a look. To start editing, you need just to click on an item and the Options panel is visible. You don't need to hover icon gear, just a simple click on any item. Plugin, column, row or section, just click and options are visible. The second advantage. Much more options are visible in the screen area, so you don't need scrolling to find some options. Now let's talk about the Page Structure panel. The Page Structure panel displays the hierarchy of all elements on a page as a tree. Using a Page Structure panel, you can manage items on the page quickly and easily. In the same way as with the Options panel, you can change layout from the lightbox to sidebar. Click on icon 3 dots from the Page Structure panel heading and select Panel to Left. Now take a look at the editor. On the left is the Page Structure panel, and on the right is the Settings panel. This is how the editor workspace should be configured. By moving panels to sidebars, you will find that editing and managing any element on the page is much faster. Gridbox will remember your choice, and the next time you enter the editor, everything will be as you configured. Enjoy!